Hi, everybody. For our second day of learning Python, I want to give you a quick overview of the things you're going to be learning as you dive into the Google form that has your actual assignment for today. So, the first thing we're going to be learning today is variables. So, here, for example, name and age are both variables. We talked about variables when we used App Inventor, so they're going to be things that we can store information into. Here, for example, I've stored my name as Mrs. Cooksey in name. And then the second thing we're going to be learning today is how to write an input statement. So this actually lets the user create information that gets stored into the variables. So this statement, how old are you, when run, is going to actually let the user type in a specific age. A couple of things I want you to take note of as you're completing the Google form is anytime I say fact in all caps, typically is a little text box, that means it's an important note. That might be a thing that you want to write down in your notes because you might want to come back to that fact later. That's where I give some definitions, like the word concatenate, which is it just rolls off the tongue really nicely, concatenate. One of my favorite computer science words. And I explain some of the differences between maybe a comma in the print statement versus a plus sign in the print statement and what those two things mean. The last thing I wanted to show you is how to rename your documents in Replit, reply it, I don't know, while you're in here. So the first thing you do is click this little arrow, which has an edit button, and you can rename it. I have been naming all of my final assignments as day 1, day 2, because that's how I've been naming the assignments. So this would be day 2, and this is where you would name your final assignment. It will automatically save. It's not letting me save. Try to, because I already have an assignment with that name. Now it should automatically save. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and good luck.